State Farm is no longer accepting applications for homeowners insurance in California. The new policy went into effect Saturday. The insurance company cited wildfire risks and the skyrocketing costs of construction. State Farm is the largest home insurance company in the country, according to the National Association of Insurance Commissioners, with more than $78 billion direct premiums written. For more, I'm joined now by Leslie Scism. She is a news editor who covers all things insurance related for the Wall Street Journal. Leslie, this is quite a story. There are thousands of wildfires throughout the state, and now people are thinking, okay, what am I going to do now for insurance? So what does this mean for current State Farm home insurance policyholders in the state of California?
All right, for right now, this is a story that mostly applies to people who want to be State Farm policyholders. It's going to, it's stopping the acceptance of new applications. It says that the current policyholders aren't affected by this, but it is not committing to stick by those for any particular length of time. So, we could learn a year from now or so that it's going to non-renew some of those customers. It will have a big impact in the California market because State Farm is the top seller of home policies in California. It insures about 1 in every 5 homeowners there. That's in line with its status nationally. So if you've got your top players saying they're not going to take new applications, that's definitely going to cause some stress in the market, and agents are going to have to do a lot of scrambling to find other policies to put their put home buyers and other customers into.
Absolutely. So was this decision a long time coming, or was it a reaction to last year's fire season, which again saw thousands of wildfires?
It's been a long time coming, and there are 3 or 4 main reasons for the behind the move. One is, as you noted, there have been intensifying wildfire risks in the state. Also, there's been inflation. The producer price inputs for construction were up 8% in 2022 on top of nearly 21% in 2021. This is relevant, of course, because home insurers are having to pay to rebuild all these houses that are burned down or damaged in other ways. A third big factor here is California's regulatory process for increasing premium rates just isn't designed to handle these 2 problems I just mentioned. A lot of insurers feel the rates they earn, that the rates they're allowed to charge in California are inadequate. This is for 2 reasons. One is the state doesn't allow the use of forward-looking computer models when companies come in there and try to argue for rate increases. They lean on historical experience. And the other big reason is that consumers have an outsized role in the regulatory process in California. And this outsized role is pretty much unlike anything else in the rest of the country. So it's extremely consumer-oriented system, and it's basically leaned toward keeping prices low.
Wow. So I know you said State Farm has a big hold on the state, but, this is all a matter of climate change. This has nothing to do with the homeowners and saying, okay, well, this is something that I did. It's not something that they did. So could we see more insurers? Obviously, there's more companies that are available, but could more of these companies actually pull out of California?
What State Farm did is a very big deal, and the fact that State Farm did it means it will have impact. Because it's the leading insurer, you'll probably see some other insurers feel like, darn, if State Farm can do it, we can do it too. So that's probably what's ahead, and it's going to just make it tougher and tougher, especially for home buyers, to line up policies. What State Farm also is doing is putting some pressure on the state government to take some actions to try to make it a more favorable state for insurers to get their rate increases.
Yeah, this could have a ripple effect, whether it's in California or maybe other states as well with other natural disasters. I'm thinking of the Southeast with places like Florida. So I guess we'll see. All right, Leslie Scism, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.